everybody, it's WHJU. I got the truck out of its parking place. It's right here. I'm redoing the brakes. I got a new brake booster, brake thing, and we're gonna throw it in. So, here we go. It actually was really easy. It was basically just a bunch of springs and stuff to get it out. Now we got this. We're gonna throw this one in there now. Sorry. I got some gases. I was just matching it up with the other one, making sure it was going in correctly. Making sure it was going in correctly. It's actually really easy. It was really easy to take apart. It might look complicated, but nah, I figured it out. If I'm stupid and I figured it out, that means you guys can. Fuck you, stickers. Assholes. So, I got the new starter and I threw it in, and guess what it was doing? It was rubbing big time. Like when that thing was rubbing, it was like, yeah, it was like, yeah, it sounded like this. That's what it sounded like. It was awful. So I threw the other one back in. So rip the new starter. So much for a brand new starter. Am I right? So yeah, we had front brakes but no rear. Isn't that crazy? We only had front brakes. We had no rear. The rears were not responding at all. It was bad. I'm sure you guys are probably wondering why am I using a wrench. I don't know why. I don't have a 1/2-inch socket on me, so I'm stuck using a wrench. Blow. Make sure that booger's on there tight. Get her. Get her. Oh, finally. Jeez. Jeez Louise, man. Took that thing long enough to get on there. Uh-oh. Wrench wants to go its own way. Making sure that booger is tight and it is not coming off ever again. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here and bleed the brakes. I'm just gonna open it and fucking hit my face. Ow. I just straight up punched myself. That thing was tight and it was not coming off. Ow. Okay, well, we got no fluid. Ow, you guys saw that. Replay that. Went BAM! Hit my fucking face. Ouch. That thing was tight. Son of a bitch. Yeah, we're gonna have to do the whole bleed the brake system all over again. At least we got it installed. Instant replay. Bam! Put our there we go. Get our things back in. Just don't really want to go back in. They don't want to. Ugh. There we go. Get it even. Get it somewhat symmetric. All right, now we're ready to throw this thing back in. So this has got to go, and then there's that washer that's got to go into. Okay. Use my knees to hold it. Need the washer? No, we don't need a washer yet. I don't know quite exactly how this works. I think we gotta do one of these springs first. Yeah, let's take it off. Redo everything. I don't quite know how this goes back together. But I know there's a lot of spring shit that's gotta go on. Oh, okay. No, wait. We're not there yet. Let's see here. I don't think I'll be able to get this back together, you guys. I think it's done for. I think it's done for. I can't get this stupid hoe to go back together. Why? Because it's being stupid. Can't get it to go back together. It's being a bitch. Legitimately being a bitch. I think we're just gonna have to just put it back together the way it is, because throw the tire back on there, because it ain't gonna go back to fucking together. It's so stupid. I don't get any of this. Like, none of this. Like, none of this makes any fucking sense at all. I don't get this. This thing is stupid. Okay, so it goes like that. Then it goes like that. Okay, what about this spring? What the fuck does this spring do? And where the fuck does it go? I don't know. See, I hate the way they design the rear brakes. I really do. It makes no sense at all. It makes no sense. It really doesn't. And there's no point of asking my dad for help because he's just going to be a fucking bitch and stubborn. He's like, why can't you get to go back together? Dude, I fucking... At that point, there'll be no point of arguing with him because he's just going to talk like that. He's just going to be a fucking dumbass. All these damn springs, which do nothing. Maybe it goes together like this. Goes together like this? Like that? How the fuck does this work? Or does it go together like this? No, surely it doesn't go together like that. How does these fucking springs work? I hate this design. I do. It really does not make any sense to me at all. I don't get it who designed this and why they designed it, but I find it utterly useless. It's just so bad. It's so bad of a design, and it makes no sense at all. I guess like that. To be honest, I really don't give a shit. I fucked up. I took all this off for no reason. All I had to do was to get it off of these little deals. And then pull the thing out. But no, I did the most unthinkable thing ever. And I fucked up. How does any of this go back together? And where does this go? Does this go to this? No, it doesn't. No, because it has a thing. Oh, it goes right there. Okay, so there's that. I'm probably going to have to, like, turn the video off and look at all the pictures, and I'll let you know if I get it back together or not. Because at this point, I have no clue. Legitimately, I have no clue. We're not going to put that spring in because it doesn't do anything. But yeah, I fucking hate this thing. I do. Like, this is my least favorite truck ever. You guys don't understand that. This is my least favorite truck that I've ever had. This truck is just pure awful. Just pure awful. And I hate every second of it. Why is this spring come out? Now we're getting to the stage where I'm getting agitated. Because this thing won't go back together the way it should. And this thing requires to be so compressed with this one spring. So compressed that I can't even get it back together. But yeah, this truck is not satisfying to me. It really is not. It doesn't make any sense to me at all. See what I'm talking about? I fucking hate this thing. I hate this thing. I hate it. I hate it. I hate this fucking thing. I do. I swear to fuck, I hate this thing. I hate this truck so much. I hate it. I hate it. This truck is just so bad. It's just the worst design anybody could ever come up with. And now I don't know how this bottom shit down here doesn't... I don't know how the fuck it goes back together because none of this makes any sense. Where the fuck does this spring go? How does it even make any sense down here? It goes on like that. I want to say it goes on like that, because at this point I really don't care. And this side over here, and this thing needs to be compressed so much so it can make it all the way over here. See, I hate it. I hate this fucking thing. I hate this spring. It doesn't reach. It legitimately does not reach. Now the bugs are coming out now that it's warm and I still haven't made any fucking progress. Videos don't help. There's no point of videos. Videos aren't going to do anything. How does this thing work? What is going on here? Is this spring even in the right place? Am I even doing it? Am I even doing it right? Are we sure it goes there? Sure it doesn't go anywhere else? I can't do it, you guys. I can't. It makes no sense. It doesn't. I can't. I'm sorry. I give up. I give up. I'm not. I don't care about this truck. I really don't. I was not expecting this type of behavior from a piece of shit that won't even get brakes. Which also makes no sense why this thing should not have brakes. This thing should have every right to have brakes, but it doesn't because it's a cunt. Never seen a truck so stubborn in my life. These brakes, the design, everything about this thing, it just sucks. Legitimately sucks. You can fucking forget it. Just forget it. I'm not doing this. I have no right to do this. I don't even need to do this. Does it even go there? Do I need help? Yes, because I hate Fords. Why do I hate Fords? Because of this exact reason. They don't go back together the way they're supposed to. Just like that new starter that I got for this thing. I was expecting that starter to work. But it's a Ford starter, and it didn't work. It doesn't go there. It legitimately does not go there. That's not where it goes. It goes somewhere else. Or maybe it's backwards. How does this thing go together? I'm gonna have to look at the video. I'm sorry.